You probably don't know that there's a new Volkswagen out that doesn't look like a Volkswagen.
Oh baby, we're gonna go deep into the Type 34, the coupe, the fastback, the four-seater, the elongated Type 34. Let's get an up close and personal with this Type 34. Matter of fact, this is a new cut. I know you guys always count on me for the most exclusive of exclusive things, and that's what I'm bringing to you today. Here I am chilling, just me and my 4-headlight Type 34 Ghia Fastback, funky monkey. Nobody ever produced this bad boy. Yikes! Yikes! Let's check it out. Let's get it up close. Automatic. This is clearly a late model prototype. Headrests. So this has got to be 68, 69. And this has the fastback action on it. What do you think, babe? Another one, a face only a mother could love on this thing, huh?
Yeah. Yes.
Look at this car. Automatic too. The bumper, have you ever seen bumper guards like that on Type 34? You probably haven't. That is one long drip rail, look at that. Where's my guy? Can I get my guy? Can I get my guy over here to open up the hood and trunk for me? See, yeah, go see. Say, my husband has some questions. The dude in the VW thing, in the VW shirt over there. Look at this thing. Wild. Is there anybody giving you more in-depth, detailed look at this super rare Type 34? Look at the bumper, look at the 4-headlight action, huh? Turn signals. Everything. This is oh yeah. Got the fog lights on the bumper, the bumperettes. Nah, I sent the wife over. Pretty always gets you far, and I'm not pretty, so I sent her over to get these guys over here to have some questions. Who knows about this car? So, on this car, could you open the back, the trunk, the engine, so I could see? I'm trying to get it exclusive. No, yeah, I've never seen it first. Oh, it's got door frames too. Look, it has the window frames. Now this car is a prototype?
Yes.
You never know unless you ask, right?
Yeah.
So in all of these cars run and drive?
Not all.
Because this one's
Wahrscheinlich reindrücken.
This one's automatic. Let me get some footage inside of the dashboard. So this has a special funky gauge over here, and looks like it's got 25,000 kilometers on it. Interesting. So this must have, I mean, they must have put it through its paces, putting miles on it.
Ja. Okay. Also beim normalen 34er ist das, kann man das reindrücken, also bei einem Play-Auto, aber hier anscheinend nicht.
Das kriegt ihr nicht mal wieder.
Nee, ist nicht bei dir beim normalen 34, also beim Serienauto.
Gibt einen Kasten mit Schraubenzieher. Ich wollte gerade sagen.
They're getting it ready for me to drive the rest of the rally. It's only 25,000, what's another 1,000? Yeah. So this, they must have used this as a test car if there's 25,000 kilometers on here.
I guess.
Had to be a test, but I mean, for even 25,000 of test miles, it looks good, right?
Dash is pretty much.
What is this gauge here?
Dash. What is it? It's just a temperature gauge, but a regular one. I think it's just for outside temperature.
For ambient temperature?
Yes.
To take recordings?
because it has plus and minus degrees, so it must be for.
So I wonder if they would document the outside temperature and then the engine temperature of the car. Maybe. Because this is weird, like how it's going to get cooling here, huh?
The cooling is like on a regular Razor Edge, because it has also
The tray in the back.
the tray in the back, right? Have you noticed the prototype Razor Edge yesterday in the museum? It had vents just behind
the window.
The window, right?
It's got the 3-point seat belts. You know what's interesting is the Type 34 it has, you know Type 34,
Yes.
right? We're Type 34 brothers, right?
Right.
It has the third mount for the
Yeah,
seat belt here, but
correct.
this one is mounted here, look. You see how this is mounted down low?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah, that's really interesting.
But the early ones are not retractable, maybe.
Have you ever seen an underdash tray?
No.
In a Razor?
Me neither. I need to have one made. See, I'm just the American feature. Can I see this? I want to see under the hood. Oh wow, that's like the. I have a Ghia TC.
Yeah.
I have a Karmann Ghia TC at home.
It's also
Yeah,
called
it's the
a
same.
TC.
It's
Yeah,
the same.
the same. Except the Ghia TC it has a slider here.
Look, there's even a contact for the
dome
hoop
light.
Dome light.
How cool is this? And so it's the same tray in the back. Just the bossy American. Hey, can you open this up? Can I take a look at it?
I forgot that you haven't seen these in so long. These
The
plastic covers.
Now, were those to catch fuel if it started leaking?
Or it's a heat thing.
This is my Ghia TC has that same type of mount.
Man hat es versucht, weil der Typ 34 ist ja sowieso nicht so gut im Komfort. Die waren nur lieber das wäre dann jetzt beim Karmann gewesen. Besser als beim TL. Mit der Action. Also man war sehr kostenbewusst damals.
Wie viele Autos wurden davon gebaut? Tatsächlich
Nur der. Es gibt ein Gerücht, dass es noch einen zweiten gibt.
Ja.
Es ist wohl tatsächlich auch mal einer angeboten worden, aber mit einem Foto von unserem.
Okay. Und das TC, kam das später irgendwann dazu oder war das wirklich schon so mit
TC kam
Touring?
später.
Okay.
Ja, der ist ja bis 69,
Ja,
ist der
aber ich
normale
mein-
Typ 34 gebaut worden.
Genau.
Du meinst jetzt das Schild TC.
Genau.
Das ist eine schwierige Sache. Ich bin da schon öfter mal drauf angesprochen worden. Ich kann es nicht
Okay.
nachvollziehen, wer oder warum das
Weil
damals
du ja gesagt hast, dass auch die Haubenscharniere dem TC, dem
ähnlich.
Brasilianer. Okay, ähnlich. Okay.
Die Haubenscharniere beim TC sind ja aufliegend. Das heißt, sind ja außen.
Yeah, the Ghia TC has the hinges up top. I have a Ghia TC also.
What's that? Die Aussteller sind
The
die
Brazilian, that
gleichen.
last
Das ist
Brazilian
das
Ghia
Gleiche.
that they have there looks like a baby Maverick.
TC muss ich gerade überlegen.
When you walk back in that thing, the first one to your right after the SP.
Das ist wahrscheinlich wie beim
Brazilian.
Oh, okay. I took a picture.
Okay, I had these guys. I'm like, hey, can you
Genau, ja, so wie
take a look at this? Like, pull the engine compartment over. And
So what's this?
Karmann Ghia prototype
Prototype.
coupe. Or this is a
Fastback.
this is a sedan. Is what this is.
So
Technically?
Karmann thought about doing a similar car to the Fastback, to the Type 3 Fastback in '65, because the Razor Edge didn't sell very well. Though they thought maybe we do another body style, and that's just a prototype. They tested it. It's said to be just this one car, but he said another one was offered once, but with a picture of this car, so I don't believe, I think that's scam, so this is the only one. And when when Volkswagen or Karmann, when they decided against it, it was used for other purposes, test purposes for the factory.
So test purposes for engine parts and pieces or whatever?
Whatever, right. And that's why it has 25,000 kilometers.
So this car is a one of one. What year is this one? 68,
60.
69? So we've got the wood grain dash automatic.
Was für ein Baujahr ist das?
65. Es ist aber ein Automatikgetriebe verbaut, was ja später erst gekommen ist.
Genau, und auch so der Holzarmaturenbrett und sowas ja eigentlich
Also man
erst
hat
später.
immer die Modellerweiterung auch in diese Fahrzeuge
Okay,
reingemacht.
they updated it. It's a 65, but with every update, they updated the car as
So
well.
this used to be 4-speed, and then
It
they put
used to be
automatic?
4-speed, correct, yeah.
And when they changed it, 69?
60, it's
65.
65, the car.
Yeah.
But in 69 they put
69, they put the
automatic?
The automatic.
I guess, yeah. So
Interesting.
it was the last year of the Razor Edge, obviously. So yeah, they really updated it constantly.
The coupe, not the convertible.
How cool is this thing?
It's awesome. I know.
But so this started out then as a swing axle car, and it now would be IRS. Because on the Type 3 they changed the rear bulkhead, right?
Yeah, it is IRS. And it's I don't know if this is, when did they change the motor mount?
Oh, it has a mustache.
Oh,
bar on it?
that is of course with the IRS.
Oh, it has
that
the
would have
big-
been 60, mid-year 68 if it had auto stick.
It's a 65, and they updated it. They even with every new build year, they updated it to the specifications of that year, and they converted it in the last year to automatic.
So you don't. This isn't even originally how it was. There's so many iterations
Correct,
on this car,
correct.
which is even cooler, right? I like the seats with the headrest. It's super cool.
I like details like this for the boot light.
Yeah.
It's. Do they have one? There must be one. Or it's just the
No, right here.
dome light. Oh
Right
yeah,
here.
there it is. So it's like a
Your fresh air vents for your motor
Yeah.
come down through the back.
I like the. Have you ever seen Type 34 bumper guards like that?
no. Those are the late ones. Just with a rubber strip on.
And the reverse light.
I've never seen that one.
Crazy, huh? And look, they put the automatics. They put the automatic badging on it.
Yeah. And they said they are not sure if this was there already or if it was attached
Yeah, they
later.
do.
But he said those are exactly like the TC. They are similar or exactly the same as
Yeah,
the
my TC has a slider
Yeah,
here on the
okay.
side. Now I got to keep the TC to add to the collection. I just can't drive a regular Ghia. They're like too small inside. But the TC I think might be on the same as the Beetle. Yeah, this is too cool.